Street Guardian SGZC12SS menu interface overview. You can use up to 512 GB full-size SD card. I have a 128 for demo purpose. Okay, as soon as you turn on your car ignition, so the 12 volt will boot up the camera. As you can see, here is the Street Guardian logo, and after a few seconds it's gonna start recording. You hear the click and the green light turns into the blinking red. It means it's start recording. So to stop pause recording, you can click the top button here, or you can start and stop recording by touching the screen. So it has a capacitive touch screen, very sensitive. Okay, let's stop recording and let's go through the some icons here. So at the top left corner there is a green. This is the recording LED sign. As I show you earlier, as soon as start recording, the green turns into the blinking red. The next icon shows the cycle recording, so it's a video mode. You can turn into the photo camera mode. 1080p 30, it's a video resolution which you selected. The next is microphone sign, so microphone on or off, as you can see here. 19 hours 7, this is the time which you can record on your existing memory card, and at the moment it's a 128 GB inside. So what else here? At the bottom there is a date time sign. So okay, let's go through the menu. So you can navigate through the menu using side buttons here, as like this, and when you want to enter into some menu you just press the menu button here. So in the same way navigate from here, or you can also navigate by tapping the touch screen like this. So this is the photo mode I went, and yeah, anyway, let's go through the menu. The first icon, it's a video. Here you selected the video to be recorded, and the next is photo. Review, it's to review the recorded files. So it splits into the 3 different folders: the video folder file, JPEG, it's a photo mode, and event mode when it's recording the emergency files which are manually activated or via the G sensor activated recordings. So the next is recording settings. Video size, here you can select from the 3 different video resolutions: 1080p 30 frames per second, 720p 30 frames per second, and 720p 60 frames per second. And I must say, this is the real 60 frames per second, not the doubled like many others who use the interpolation from the 30 doubling frames, but in this dash camera this is the real 60 frames per second. Okay, let's select 1080p. The next option is microphone on off. You can also select on off from the button here. The cycle time, you can select 1, 2, 3, 5 minute cycle clips, video clips, or continuous recording. So I have selected 3 minutes. Overlap, so 0, 1 second, 2 seconds, 0 overlap. The next is motion detection on off. For the parking mode recording, you might want to select motion detection to record everything which is going on when your car is parked. The G sensor, there are 3 levels of sensitivity: low, middle, high, and turn off the G sensor. So the next is setup. Here you can select date and time, same way you can use the buttons, navigate through the through the settings or touchscreen option. Language, there are quite many languages: English, I think Korean, Chinese, Spanish. So yes, those are the languages this unit has. Format, you can format card here. I'm gonna format my 128GB. The TV, and this is the system PAL or NTSC. You can select an LCD standby, 30 seconds, 60 seconds. This is the time when the screen goes black after selected time, so it doesn't bother you, for example, at night driving recording. So after selected time the screen goes black. Or you can disable this screen standby, so it always, the screen will be on. And let's go back to the main menu. So yeah, let's start recording. And yeah, when it starts recording, it's gonna apply, as you can see here, tiny bar. On that tiny bar later on the big screen, you can see the time, date, and G-sensor force recorded and stamped on your video. So microphone on, off, and yeah, I guess that's it. Later in my next video I'm gonna show you how the reversing camera works when it's connected to this device.